Hey guys, today I am going to show you guys how to make the perfect lazy quarantine breakfast. We're making banana pancakes. So fluffy and so easy. It'll be done in 15 minutes. You will enjoy this. It tastes absolutely awesome. Stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients you will need: flour, banana, baking soda, sugar, vanilla extract, butter, 2 eggs, and whole milk. Now we're going to mash down the banana. Now if you have a banana that's over ripe, you can use it, but we're going to use this one because it's not too sweet. We're going to add some sugar to it. Now if you're using really sweet bananas, you don't really have to use the sugar. All right, we're going to mash it down with a fork just like so. Once it is done, this is what it's supposed to look like. Now we're going to add in our egg. Now I like to remove the white part of the egg, that little white part. I like to remove it. That's just my preference. Once I'm done, I am going in with the milk. I'm using half of the milk for now, and then I'll add the rest later. Now I'm adding the vanilla extract in as well. We're going to give that a quick mix. Now you can use a hand mixer if you do have one. If you don't, no worries. Just use your fork, mix it all together. Now here I am going to mix the dry ingredients, the flour with the sugar and the baking soda. Now you can add a pinch of salt if you want, but I did not add salt. All right, give that a quick mix, and then we're going to add it in gradually into our wet mixture right here. Okay? Now if you're new here, you have not subscribed, please, I'm asking you, take the time to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking. We're almost at 150K. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Consider to subscribe because you will love my videos if you like this one, and also turn on your post notification bell. You will enjoy my recipes. Now once it is done, this is what it looks like. And of course, I forgot to add the butter. I am going in with the melted butter. All right, once I'm done, we're going to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then you will see like a little bubble like onto the batter. That's how you're gonna get that fluffiness onto the pancakes. In a frying pan, I added melted butter on there. We're going to start by cooking our pancakes. Now make sure your heat is on low because they get brown pretty quickly. You can actually burn it, so don't burn it. Make sure it's on low. And once the crust starting to look kind of goldenish, you can see it. We're going to flip it over just like that. And of course, it has the perfect crusty corners. Oh, looks so good, right? This is the first one that I did, and then we're going to make another one. And now make sure to use a measurement for your pancakes so they can come out looking the same size, if you know what I mean. Don't want to be one's big, one small. And also I like to fix the corners so it can be nice and round and perfect. Once that is nice and golden brown, of course, you're gonna see the corner look a little goldenish. I don't know what that goldish is. And then we're going to flip it over. It should take about 2 minutes, the max, for it to turn brown if you're cooking it on low. All right. Then of course we're going to flip it over just like so, very carefully. And here is the corners that I was telling you guys about. It's nice and golden brownish. It looks so good. All right, hopefully you guys try this quarantine breakfast, because I'm coming through with those recipes. And if you have any suggestion, let me know. Here is the clip of how I'm cooking it on low to show you guys. Once it's done, add some bananas on top of it. Add some bananas on the side. I'm sorry. And then you're going to add some syrup on it. You can use maple syrup if you have some. I'm using good old Auntie Jemima, I think. And then we're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar, and that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, let me know down below. If you have any quarantine breakfast, it doesn't have to be breakfast, anything quick, because we hungry out here. We always hungry but can't go to the stores. Let me know down below, what do you want to see? And of course, they turn out to be so fluffy, so fluffy. I'm like, wow, this is awesome. And this is it. Hope you enjoy it. Be sure to give it a like for me. If you did enjoy it, leave me a comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Yum.